Okay, for the sleeve, I have got out 39 needles. I'm going to start with the cuff, and I'm going to do a ribbed hem. So I'm going to push back every other needle and do some waist yarn. Ribbed hems are super quick. They aren't always my favorite, but then again, I really like them. It just depends. I like them for cuffs quite a bit. I think they make a nice little cuff. So I'm just going to do several rows of waist yarn here. And I'm going to do a row of ravel cord. Make sure the counter is set to 0. I'm going to knit 21 rows. Hang weights, because the Lk does not like to be loose on the ends. You don't want your stitches jumping off. Of course, most of you, if you're like doing a cardigan by now, you've probably done one of these, but if not, you're going to grab the very bottom bump there on the other side of your ravel cord, and you're going to transfer tool it on the empty needle and just do that all the way across. Gonna rehang my weights. Some weight there in the center. Now I'm going to turn my attention back to the main. Okay, so I might weave this in, but I'm not sure if I need this for sewing or not. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm not gonna weave it in. Now I'm gonna knit 15 rows. Okay, so now I'm at 15 rows. I'm going to start my increases. So I'm going to pull a needle forward on both sides. And I'm going to take this little stitch, this little bump right here. And I'm going to transfer it to the new needle that I've just added. Every 5 rows, you're going to be increasing on the right and the left, just like that. And this is a stash buster, so I'm going to be changing colors, and I will show you that. I showed you changing colors on the panels. It's the same thing, but I'll show it again one time on this. But so every 5 rows, you're going to increase on both sides until you get to 80 stitches across. So I've cut my yarn. I'm going to do a color change. I'm going to weave this in. I'm going to go over, under, over, under. And I like to end with an over. Don't forget your clip so it stays nice and tight. I like to pull it a little. Again, want it to be tight. Pull some needles and over, under again. Take my clip, add it, and again. Now, when you're all done with this, all you're going to have to do is go through here and clip this. You're not going to have to weave anything. You can just clip it. It's so nice. which is also kind of nice too, because you're already doing, well, I'm doing a mattress stitch to sew this up, so it's less bulk in that stitch that's already kind of bulky. Okay, I've done 115 rows. I've done increases every 5 rows, starting at that 15 and ending up at 80. And on the last one, on the last increase, you'll only increase 1 stitch. Now, just like you saw me do with the panels, I'm just gonna crochet cast off. I'm gonna remove my ravel cord, my waist yarn. So I've got my little cuff here, ready to be sewn up. Okay, I want to give you a visual at this point of the finished cardigan. You can see here is the panels that are 6 blocks, and they go over the shoulder here. It's drop shoulder cardigan. And so when you do the ribbing at the bottom and at the top, you just sew it all together. So when you mattress stitch all your panels together, your ribbing is good to go. Now, in the center, you're gonna have the panel with just the 3 color blocks. So when you do it, and you do the ribbing at the bottom and the top, you'll have your little ribbing up here at the neckline. But when you go to do the, turn around here, when you go to do the ribbing at the side here, you'll just sew it up and connect it. So that's how the finished cardigan goes together.